I will show you how to make this word-by-word text animation in Premiere Pro. Start by going to Effects and search Text Animator, and then apply the transition to the start of the text layer. Note that this effect requires Premiere Pro version 25.5 or newer. Now position the playhead so you can see the starting text animation, and then select the text animator. Now in Effects Controls, select the Fade preset and then scroll down and change the push position to move the text down a bit. Now scroll down further to the bottom and then expand Advanced Controls and set the object type to word. Now to make each word animate separately, you need to adjust the word bias so that only one word is affected by the effect. And you can smoothen out the effect further by changing the fade value in Effects Controls. To save this as a preset, right click on the text animator, select Save Preset, name it, and then press on OK. You can now easily drag and drop the preset to any text layer. If you don't want a slide effect and want to make each word appear one by one, then you can just set the push position back to 0. And you can once again change the fade value to your liking. If you want to save time and the hassle of creating these effects one by one, you can get my advanced text preset pack, which has over 250 text presets. It includes smooth bouncy text presets, smooth text slide-ins, and many more caption presets. You can find the link in the description or on adobebasics.com. Quick side note, if you apply a stroke or shadow to the text, then the animation won't work. To fix this, simply right click and nest the text layer. Then apply a stroke and shadow effect to the text layer, and then adjust them to your liking. To save time editing, check out my ultimate preset pack, link in the description.